A linchpin is defined as something that holds the various elements of a structure, such as a wheel, together. Without this linchpin, the whole structure could fall apart. In an organization, linchpin positions are those that have the greatest impact on performance and would also be the most difficult to replace. These positions tend to be the focus of succession plans, career management programs, as well as learning and development within an organization. Selecting the right positions to focus on is important to the successful outcome of all your talent management plans. So how do you decide or determine which roles are critical? You can begin this process by evaluating positions against a set of criteria for critical position identification. As a starter, you can use the following identification criteria. Impact to business operations. In other words, how would day-to-day operations or business be affected if this position or role was suddenly vacant? Or perhaps, availability of external candidates. Would it be difficult to find qualified external hires to replace this position? And then perhaps a criteria such as internal bench strength. Are there qualified internal candidates who could step into this role today? Or maybe even unique skill set or knowledge base. Does this role require skills or knowledge that would be difficult to replace, or demand specific experience in your company or industry? After listing down these criteria, evaluate each position or role using a 5-point scale, where 5 indicates the highest point for each criteria. It's important to keep the position description in mind during your evaluation. Try not to focus only on the person currently in the role, as this might contaminate the critical position identification process. By adding up the totals across the criteria, you'll be able to develop a short list of key positions to consider for your talent plan. Smaller organizations should select one key position to concentrate on to begin their talent management plan. Larger ones may choose to move ahead with up to 5 positions. Organizations must focus talent efforts towards these linchpin roles to ensure the wheel stays securely in place and that it operates as intended. Starting with an initial number of linchpin positions will make the implementation of your talent programs easier to manage. It will give you the chance to learn and gain insights, and enable you to build momentum as you move forward to expand your scope. If linchpin positions in an organization are filled with strong and capable leaders, there's no telling where an organization can go and what it can achieve.